Hey there friends, Erin Moss with Erin Moss Oils and Wellness with a Plan. So for those of you that follow me on my YouTube channel, know that I love talking about my doTERRA products and I love my doTERRA diffusers. But one question I get asked all the time is, can we use other diffusers? Because let's be honest, there's a really cool assortment out online. And so these are 11 different ones that I just picked up off Amazon as I wanted to kind of check them out for myself and see like what kind of quality are these diffusers and would I recommend them to my customers? On that note, I just want to share with you of these 11 diffusers, a few things that are different about them and which ones I would personally want to keep in my house. And of course, I would probably keep all of them if I needed all of them, but I don't because I have a lot of the doTERRA diffusers. And the one big difference between off-brand diffusers versus doTERRA's diffusers would be the life warranty or the warranty on them. So most of these I'm assuming would be like the Amazon warranty. I don't know for sure if each individual company offers their own warranty. doTERRA, however, has a 1-year warranty on their diffusers, and I've always gotten beyond a 1 year with their diffusers. With some of the off-brand ones, I've had great success with some of them, and some of them they've kind of, but there's a lemon in every batch, right? So of these diffusers, I have a wide range of sizes. So I have humidifiers, which are just really going to be about putting moisture into the air. So as we're going into the winter months here, this is a big deal for us. In fact, with this one, I love that it tells me what the percentage of the humidity is at in my house right now, so that I can kind of control how much humidity is taking place. So I love that about this one. It has 3 speeds, it has a sleep timer on it, and a water filter inside. So with this humidifier, you're also not going to be putting essential oils in it. There's actually a little tray in the back that you pop out. It has a little filter on it. You can put your drips of essential oil on it and so on. And with this one, I can also get you an additional percentage off. Just check the comments below, as this company has offered that to me if I'm willing to share about this amazing diffuser. Now with this company, they also have this small, or I shouldn't say small, it's 500 ml diffuser. And so another great, simple design, elegant looking, and they're by the same company. So definitely I liked that one as well. There's some glass ones. Now these are about 120, 150 mil. So it just doesn't hold a lot of water. So if you're looking for something that's going to diffuse all day long, these probably aren't going to cut it. They're going to be more like a couple hours. This one I thought was really unique. And so again, more of a humidifier design, not necessarily a diffuser. I couldn't find in the instructions where it told me I can't add oils to it. So if you want to, you could try adding them to the water base, as this water is just recycling in a raindrop form, but it also has a mist coming out of it. Then with this brown one, also a 500 ml design, very simple plastic, but I really liked the output that it had as far as mist goes. For a really small wood looking design, this one was really nice. Again, on the smaller side as far as capacity. This one was really unique, has a really antique-y old design, 500 ml, diffused great. And then we have some of the smaller models. So again, well, I guess this one held about 500 ml of water as well. So just, it's a plastic. It really lit up nice. So there's some really cool light up features with that one. And again, all of them for the most part had like that 12 to 14 light settings. Each color had a brighter and a darker version. So they all lit up really nice. And then again, with the smaller designs, this one's glass, metal, and they all are about that 100 to 120 mil capacity. And what I really liked about these is because of the etched design in them, when you lit them up, and like, because Halloween is right around the corner, the purple just looked so eerie and kind of fun for those of you that are looking for a diffuser to have at a party that has like a really fun, colorful ambiance. So, and again, all lightweight, really nice designs. And then of course, the next question always is like, what would you diffuse in your diffusers? So some of my top picks, so doTERRA just launched some brand new products. My new favorite tree blend for like a forest bathing concept, so kind of like taking a walk in the woods, is the new Shinrin Yoku. It smells amazing. And so that one I am like putting in all my diffusers. And even my 11-year-old son is like, Mom, I just like the smell of this one. And the nice thing about that one, again, is we are bombarded by electronics around us. This can definitely be supportive of that type of an atmosphere as well. For sleep support, I'm going to suggest the Serenity Essential Oil Blend. Serenity is a blend all about calm and relaxation at bedtime. If it's the springtime and you're watching this video, I recommend the Citrus Bloom. It's a more floral citrus light aroma. And so I just like that nice light aroma. As we're in fall right now, I would recommend the Harvest Spice. It definitely has all of that pumpkin, apple, hayride type aroma to it. So you could even add the Shinrin Yoku to this one, and I could see pulling in some of those trees. Now with Christmas right around the corner, my two favorite Christmas blends, of course, are the Holiday Peace, which is again more of a tree citrus type aroma, but smells like Christmas. And then the Holiday Joy, which again, more of the spices, a little bit different than the Harvest Spice. So again, just smells like Christmas. That cinnamon, the wild orange, those different aromas that you typically will see in potpourris, you know, or different things like that. And then last, respiratory support. It's inevitable. I'm outside raking leaves and I come in and I'm sneezing like crazy. The Breathe blend is by far one of my favorites to have going in the diffuser, even at bedtime, if you're feeling stuffed up. And I will even pair it with like my Serenity Essential Oil Blend or the Shinrin Yoku, you know, even using this in the shower and putting it in the back of the shower just for that. Because of the mints that are in it, it helps open things up and you can just breathe a little bit clearer. So definitely a favorite. And then of course, for those of you that maybe want to look at other blends for relaxation, especially if you're in like an anxious environment, maybe it could be work, could be school, Adaptive. The blend Adaptive by doTERRA is amazing, great for focus as well as relaxation. So check out all those different blends. And of course, there's so many single essential oils that I also have that are favorites, but I tend to stick to the blends because I like the complexity of the aroma that they offer. And so, of course, if you're interested in doTERRA's essential oils, I have a 25% off link down below, which will also get you some awesome freebies and online trainings that my team and I offer. So I hope you enjoyed this review of these different diffusers. I hope you'll check out these other little clips that I've attached at the end that will again showcase how each one of these is diffusing and maybe a few of their light features. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you subscribe so that you can hear more cool things like this. So have a great day. So as I showcased just a couple of these diffusers, I wanted to just share with you the mist and the lighting option. And so like I mentioned, there's several different lighting options for each one. They each have a different high-low tone. And with the glass ones and the smaller ones, they had a smaller stream of a mist that came out. But overall, I mean, if you're just looking to get a little bit of the aroma out and you have a small space, I think these are going to be beautiful diffusers to add to your decor. And of course, if you would like to see the full review on all of the diffusers that I have done, feel free to click on my Amazon link below. From there, just search diffusers and you'll see all the diffusers that I have reviewed and a full review on them as far as mist and color.